In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PowerPoint presentation. Let's start by opening your file in Microsoft PowerPoint. Once it's open, look to the left panel where all your slides appear as small thumbnails. Click any slide there to bring it into focus in the main editing area. This is how you'll move around your presentation as you make changes. To edit text, click directly inside a text box on the slide. You can type new content, delete what you don't need, or tweak what's there. Most of your formatting controls live on the Home tab along the top ribbon. Use the font options to change size, color, and style, and apply bold or italic to emphasize key points. Alignment tools help you keep titles and bullet points tidy, left, center, or right, depending on your layout. As you format, try to keep fonts and colors consistent across slides so your presentation looks polished and intentional. For images, click the picture you want to adjust. This activates the Picture Format tab. From there, you can crop to remove unwanted edges and focus attention, resize by dragging the corner handles to maintain proportion, and add effects or borders to match your style. Subtle effects go a long way and keep your content readable. If you need more or fewer slides, it's straightforward. To add a new one, go to the Home tab and select New Slide. You can choose the layout that best fits what you want to show, like a title slide or a content layout. To delete a slide you no longer need, right-click it in the left panel and choose Delete Slide. PowerPoint renumbers everything automatically. To refresh the overall look, click the Design tab. Browse themes to instantly update backgrounds, fonts, and color palettes, or customize colors to align with your brand. Make sure your text contrasts well with the background for clear, accessible reading. For motion and flow, select a slide and open the Transitions tab to pick a transition between slides. Then for object level movement, select any shape, image, or text box and open the Animations tab to add an effect. Keep animations simple and purposeful so they enhance your message without distraction. You can also manage text quickly in Outline View. Go to the View tab and choose Outline View from the upper left. This shows your slide titles and body text in a single list, making it easy to edit wording without worrying about design. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.